Hey guys, welcome to Simple Analytics. And today is very small video on the Power BI area. Just I want to pass on some information which is very important sometimes. So let's take you have so many tables in your data model, and somebody asked you that how many rows available on your table, right? The first way, very easy way is that if you have a database connectivity or suppose you are connecting to database, go there and just put a count star there. So easy. But suppose you want to see the same thing in Power BI itself. Okay. So there are multiple ways are there. Okay. I'll just show you the one way, two way, three way, whatever the possible way. I just show you there. Okay. The first way is that suppose you go to the data tab, okay, and click on the table. Okay, so table, any table you just select it will give you the number of rows here in the below. It is like 39,948 rows, which is absolutely fine. But the main problem here is that only when you are in Power Query. So let's go to the Power Query and see how many records the geography table is showing to me. Okay, let me click on the geographic role here, and it is just giving me 6 column 999 plus rows, right? So it is actually, the understanding is the Power Query always do the column profiling, and it will always shows first 1,000 rows only. Okay, and based on that the column profile happen. So here is a very interesting option is there, the column profile based on top 100 rows, right? Just click on that, left click, and you say that column profile based on entire data set, right? Let it be. Then go to the view, click on the column profile. Then immediately it will show you the number of records which is there on this one, 39,948. After the distinct and everything, all sorts of information you will see. This is very important when, suppose let's take, you filter out some data. Okay, let's take how many countries I have. Let me check. I have only one country here. State, yeah. So let's take, I have given a filter called only the state equals to Ohio. Alright, so now if I go to the view and just close the column profile and open the column profile again, if you see this, the count is now 14226. So each and every steps we can check the count, how many rows it was previously, and now after the filtering rows, how many rows or how many of the rows counts we are available. Okay, this is one way. Okay, one more other way is that suppose on each and every steps we want to see the count of rows, go to the transform tab. Okay, then there is an option called count rows, each and every step. Just click on that, count rows. So it is 39948. Okay, but here it will just stop it here because after that you need to pass on the steps before. So this is one more way to see the number of rows available on your table. Okay, hope you like it, and do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.